If you fit a lot of these, this is a great little gadget. So you fit them quicker, just a bit of old MDF, right out of that. For the plate side. And the side I've got a screw, and that screw, a line up, and a spindle. And when I fix it on the door, it pre-mark the holes for my spindle. So all you've got to do, you need a router to do this, that is such a time saver. Got a pre-marked height on the door. Simply screw it onto the door. Screw either side. So when I take the 2 screws out, they will be the marks where I'm going to drill for my spindle. Which saves more time. Then just get a router. It's got a, you can see that's a 10mm little bearing profile bit. It's simple as that. Those screws out. So all I need to do now is get the corner chisel. Where is it? Yeah, corner chisel, take the corners out. Drill my centre hole. The holes are already pre-marked now, so I've screwed that onto the door. That is also the mark for when I draw the hole for the spindles. So, like I say, it's just a bit of MDF. Takes a bit of time to make them. Once you've made them, you can fly. Cheers.